The NOAA has issued a tornado watch for northern Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana and the Kentucky Keys. Stay indoors and enjoy the Super Bowl. Like and subscribe #NOAA #SuperBowlXXV.
The United Grocers Association has issued a snack advisory for the United States. Due to overwhelming demand for escapist entertainment, snacks are in short supply. Please only buy what you need. Don't get greedy. There's enough if we all share. Use drone delivery service in case of bad weather.
The NOAA has issued a heat combustion warning for the Nevada and Arizona coastal region. Please stay inside and enjoy the air conditioning. Outdoor activities may result in sudden combustion. Use drone delivery services for snacks, etc. It's Super Bowl Sunday. Like and subscribe #NOAA.
The Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, has declared a drone disaster area for the United States. Due to scorching temperatures in the west and tornadoes in the east, delivery drones are now falling from the sky, causing widespread damage. Evacuate all top floor areas. Do not attempt to retrieve the tasty snacks in the downed drones. Their fuel source is radioactive. It's not worth it. #tempting for real, but no. #FEMA.
The United Grocers Association has issued a snack warning for the United States. Due to drone delivery issues, critical snacks are unable to be delivered. However, do not come to the grocery stores. We found some old Segways and hoverboards and will send deliveries ASAP. Apologies if your house is on fire from a drone. You will get a buy one get one coupon for your next purchase. #TooCool. #Extra value. Do not come out to the stores. We will send the snacks to you. The United Grocers Association has issued a snack catastrophe for the greater United States. We told you not to come, but no, you wanted your snacks. But you have forgotten what standing in line feels like. Due to the inability to patiently wait in line, customers have begun looting stores and generally freaking out. Now no one will have snacks because the stores are on fire. We hope you are happy. #sad.
The NOAA has issued a tornado warning for northern Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana and the Kentucky Keys. Multiple EF3, EF4 and EF5 tornado touchdowns are confirmed. But if there are no snacks on Super Bowl Sunday, who cares? Get to the lowest point of your house and look for snacks while you are there. The International Football League has issued a Super Bowl advisory. Due to snack supply chain issues, people are boating out to Raymond James Stadium Island in search of snacks. Snacks are for stadium patrons only. A ticket is required for entry. Snack prices are also prohibitive. Nachos start at $150, $200 if you want cheese. Plus the waters are shark infested. Find snacks locally and watch #SuperBowlXXV.